The way I saw that program, I wasn't going to have to worry about a piece of equipment, especially being brand new, forever.
The benefit to it for me is from a budgetary standpoint.
The business side, that's the primary goal.
That just keeps us out in the field doing what we do, and just grading and excavating.
CAT is absolutely a partner in our business.
So I started with the 14M3 motor grader. We got the CVA with it, and that was my first piece of equipment that I started the program with. The downtime is a lot less. The pieces of equipment are running at their finest at all times, so there's a lot more production done. And after that, I just put the CVA on every piece of CAT equipment that I own.
You don't have to worry about it. They call you, they say, hey, you're coming up, you're due. You know that the maintenance side of that machine is put to bed, it's taken care of.
You don't have to worry about anything. They'll take care of everything for you. It saves time, a lot of time, and it's professional working on your piece of equipment that knows that piece of equipment inside and out.
They can identify things that may need to be repaired, and we can schedule those repairs during project downtimes and in between projects so that we eliminate downtime of the equipment when it's needed to function on projects.
It was a relationship with CAT. And it's like a partnership on these programs.
We know the CAT dealer very well. The level of service that we receive from everything from purchasing and the people that we buy the equipment from to the people that handle the parts and service, and even their accounting department when we have questions on billing or have issues with invoices. Their level of responsiveness is just always excellent.
I think that's the main thing, is trust, is that you have an expert telling you that your piece of equipment is okay. They use the CAT app a lot. They keep up with the maintenance, the hours, the ordering the parts on it, because it speeds up the process. And some of these guys have it on their phones where they just open it up. If there's any questions asked, they got the answers right there.
The big picture is no downtime. I mean, basically a zero amount of downtime is what I'm going for, but I know every day a machine doesn't break is a day closer to it breaking. And I know if I can avoid that day as long as possible, then our profitability just is that much better.
At the end of the life cycle of that machine, it will prove itself. If you're really truly tracking your maintenance and have a good program in place to track these things, at the end of the life of that machine, it's a no-brainer. It'll prove itself.